suitable for mass production, high precision, simple operation, to solve the problem of conventional width to diameter ratio, optimize transient links, save production space, reduce labor costs. The raw material in a row on the rack, automatically flip materials, skewing avoid friction and automatically feeding. Automatically cutting. Cutting materials hack. Automatic chip removal. Third excess tail shortening function. Tails. Hafter automatically grabs. The cylinder pushes the material to the chamfer machine. The manipulator grabs and pulls. Product present.